Hello guys, welcome to my channel on Educational Planet. So our today's topic is seeds. So let's study now. So seed is a fertilized ovule which is the final product of sexual reproduction. So basically what is a seed? First of all, it is a fertilized ovule and the final product of the sexual reproduction. Then it consists of the following. First is seed coat. It is 1 or 2 in number, having an opening called micropyle. Outer integument forms outer seed coat, that is known as testa, and inner integument forms inner seed coat, that is known as tegmen. So MCQ can also come of this. Then what is the outer integument form and inner integument forms of outer and inner seed coat? So you have to learn it. 1 marker question. Then coming up to the next, cotyledons. They are also 1-2 in number and rich in reserve food material. Then coming up to the next, which is embryonal axis. So there are types of seeds which are non-albuminous and albuminous. What are non-albuminous? The seeds with no residual endosperm, which has no residual of endosperm. And albuminous means the seed with residual endosperm. Here there is no residual endosperm and here is the residual endosperm. Then what are the examples? Here the examples of non-albuminous are pea and groundnut, and the albuminous are wheat and maize. Then sometimes in the seed nucleus may persist. This is called perisperm. Example in black pepper. So sometimes in seed nucleus may persist. So this is known as perisperm. For example in black pepper. Then with maturity, the water content of seed decreases and finally enters a state of inactivity called dormancy. So what do you mean by dormancy? So it is basically the water content of seed which decreases and enters into a stage of inactivity. When there is no activity going on is known as dormancy. Then what are the advantages of seed? 2 or 3 marker question can come. What are the advantages of seed? Then you have to learn it. First, the hard seed coats. I have already told you the testa and the tegmen. The testa is the outer integument, forms outer seed coat, and the tegmen is the inner integument, forms inner seed coat. They both together provide protection against injury. Then the second point is seeds are stored to be consumed throughout the year to overcome drought and natural calamities. Then the third point is depending upon the mobility of seeds, they are used to raise crop in favorable season. So that's it for our today's class. So guys, thanks for watching today's video. We will meet in the next video and again covering the another topic of this chapter number 2, which will be fruits. So guys, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below and press bell icon for more notifications. And if you are liking my videos, please press the like button. Please press the like button, guys. Please subscribe my channel. So thank you so much, guys. Bye guys.